ping inactive users of your working team. Is there anything more frustrating than to watch your earnings going slow? It is due to someone's absent-mindedness when one forgets to renew Pi's session. But you can notify such persons using Pi application. Choose Earning Team from the menu or the main screen page icon and move to the new tab. You can see here that active or mining persons do have also a green Pi sign to the right, while inactive persons have no such icon. Now push the Ping Inactive button, which unfortunately you can use only once each 16 hours.